Hi, this is Andrew Welborn with Turquoise Playa Real Estate here in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. Coming to you from El Cielo, which is a community just north of Playa del Carmen, about 5 kilometers. We're going to see an amazing, very stunning house that was custom designed from the beginning, very meticulous in details, that sits in 2 levels. It's on a lot that's about 6,000 square feet, which is one of the larger in the community. The house itself has about 3,000 square feet total area, has 3 bedrooms that are very spacious, 3 bathrooms and a half bath. And the beach access is just 1 kilometer away. So have a look at the video and we'll see you soon in Playa del Carmen. Take care.
Ready.